Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare Access for VPS admin portals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Cloudflare Access for your VPS admin portal, first, ensure you have a Cloudflare account. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Access section on the left-hand menu. Click on Applications to create a new application for your VPS. Select Add an application. Choose the self-hosted option for your VPS admin portal. Provide a name for your application, such as VPS admin portal. Enter the URL of your VPS admin portal in the designated field. Set the session duration to meet your security and accessibility needs. Next, configure the access policy for your application. Click on Add a policy. Name the policy something appropriate, like VPS Administration Access. Decide whether to require user authentication through email, SSO, or one-time passwords. Select the authentication method that best fits your environment. Set any additional rules, such as specific IP addresses for access or user groups. Once satisfied with the policy settings, click Save. Now, navigate back to the Applications list to find your newly created application. Take note of the application URL provided by Cloudflare. In your VPS, ensure that your firewall rules allow access from Cloudflare IP ranges. Log into your VPS and locate your web server configuration. Update your web server to enforce access through Cloudflare. For example, if using Jinx, ensure the configuration requires authentication through the Cloudflare Access application. Restart your web server to apply the changes. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and test the application by navigating to the provided URL. Authenticate using the method specified in your access policy. Upon successful authentication, you should gain access to your VPS admin portal. Should any issues arise, check the Cloudflare Access documentation for troubleshooting tips. Remember, maintaining security standards is critical while managing your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.